we're gonna grill some shrimp with some Cajun flair. Oh, and some hot links. So let's go. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about quick and easy, delicious, nutritious, and low carb food. Please like and subscribe and I'll bring you new videos every week.
Shrimp is the fruit of the sea. You can barbecue it, boil it, broil it, bake it, saute it.
So yeah, shrimp is definitely a versatile food. There are so many ways to prepare it. And here I have some 2125 shrimp, and that's a jumbo size. So the number 2125 just means there's about 21 to 25 shrimps per pound. So the higher the number, that means the more shrimp per pound means that the shrimp are smaller. So if you want a bigger shrimp, you want to go for a lower number. So all I'm doing is skewering the shrimp on a wooden bamboo skewer. This just makes for easy handling on the barbecue so they don't fall through the grates. I can fit about 6 or so per skewer. You want to ensure there's a little room left on the bottom and the top so you can handle it with tongs or your fingers. Here I already prepped another skewer, and we'll do one more before we hit the grill. That does look pretty. Now the shrimp are manageable, we'll give them some seasoning. So some fresh ground pepper, paprika for some color and some smokiness. Of course, garlic powder. Thyme for a bit of herby fragrance. And of course, some cayenne pepper for that heat. Whoops. That's going to be some spicy shrimp. Now we'll give them a quick flip and season the other side. Again, that's ground pepper, smoked paprika, ground garlic, thyme, and of course, cayenne pepper. Now, only at the very end do we add some salt. This is just table salt. And the reason we add salt at the end is if you add it too early, it starts to draw moisture from the shrimp and you get some dry shrimp. Let's get grilling. With a hot grill, we're just gonna clean the grill grates and we'll turn the burners down to about a medium heat. These will cook fast, so we don't want them to burn. Here we also have some hot links from the store, and we'll add them first, as they'll take a little longer to heat up. And now we add our shrimp. I like to add them to the cooler side, and of course to put them across the grates so they don't fall through. We'll let this cook covered for about 2 minutes. Look at that, the shrimp is starting to turn pink. At this point, we'll give everything a quick flip. I just happen to have a griddle that kind of shields the heat, so I can use my fingers, but please use tongs and be safe. We'll cover them up and let them go for another 2 minutes. All right, the shrimp are done. When they are nice and pink and no longer translucent, that means they're done. You don't want to overcook them as they'll start to get rubbery and tough. So the moment they turn pink, it's time to take them off the grill. Now you can also pull the hot links at this time. Depends on how much char you like on your links. I like a little bit of char to give it that nice, snappy, crispy feel to the skin. So look at that. A mouth-watering plate of spicy perfection. time to eat. Here I'm just squeezing a little bit of fresh lemon on the shrimp to add a little brightness. Let's pop one off the end and give it a try. You can see that it's well seasoned, perfectly cooked through. Super flavorful. Plenty of spice, so much herb freshness, and the brightness from the lemon. It's delicious. And it is perfectly cooked. You get that slight sweetness and crunch of the well-cooked shrimp. Not mealy at all. Now let's cut off some of that hot link sausage. You can see it's very moist on the inside and nicely charred on the outside. That's a wonderful snap of that outside casing. Really good. And the inside is just nice and tender. So much flavor, very spicy. And that's just how I like it. So there you go. A very quick recipe for some spicy, hot Cajun flavor. That's it for another video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.